Guys, it's Claudio from Visual Modo WordPress themes, and in today's video, we're gonna learn how to enable or disable the Yoast Premium SEO WordPress plugin AI features. Yes, Yoast have some AI connections, some AI features that is interesting, that uses AI in favor of your search engine optimization, but there is some issues, there is some issues, there is some errors reports, there is some mistakes, and if you may not like this feature, so you may need to learn where and how to enable or where and how to disable. This is what I'm gonna learn in this video. But before I can continue, please take a moment to hit the subscribe button, like this video, and share this content with a friend of yours. After this, review the WordPress left sidebar of menus on the WordPress dashboard. Remember to access WordPress dashboard on your browser address bar, enter your domain name plus wp-admin, and enter with your email or username and password, okay? You're gonna be able to see a page almost like this one. Review the left sidebar of menus, hover a mouse over Yoast SEO. Normally it's the final menu of the left sidebar, and hit the submenu settings, okay? And right here, you're gonna be able to see site features. Tell us which features you want to use. And right here, you can enable or disable all of the Yoast SEO features. And one that I don't like and I recommend you to disable, it's the AI feature. Yoast AI feature help you create better content by providing optimization suggestions that you can apply as you wish. I don't like this feature, so I'm gonna set this as off. After setting this as off, all I have to do is save changes. But if you set things as on, all I have to do is do the opposite work. Simple, right? And that is. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Feel free to use the comment section below in the case that you have any question. You can learn more about Yoast AI features into these articles right here, okay? You can learn all about the AI features, some suggestions, some options, some optimizations ideas, but I prefer to do this by myself, but this is my personal idea. If you want to change my mind or if you think different, feel free to use the comment section below. And that is. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Feel free to use the comment section below, and I see you guys tomorrow. Don't forget to check out thevisualmodo.com as well. And I see you later. All the best.